This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by connecting the iPhone to your computer with a data-capable cable. This is critical because charging-only cables won't let files transfer. Once connected, unlock the device and tap Trust. This authorizes the session. On a Mac, use Finder for Catalina or later. On Windows, open iTunes. Make sure both apps are updated so the device appears. While you're doing that, prepare the photo folder you want to copy so the next steps run smoothly. Now you'll choose what to copy. In Finder or iTunes, select your iPhone, open the Photos section or File Sharing area, and pick the folder or images to send. If you see a Sync Photos option, enable it and point to the folder. Otherwise, drag images into the device's photo container. Click Apply or Sync to start. Keep the phone connected and awake. Interruptions can corrupt transfers. When progress reaches 100%, verify images appear in the Photos app before unplugging. To finish, eject the iPhone from Finder or iTunes and then check the Photos app. Look in Recents and Albums so you confirm everything arrived. If items are missing, make sure iCloud Photos isn't automatically storing originals off-device. You may need to toggle iCloud Photos off, resync, then turn it back on to force local copies. If transfers fail, restart both devices and try a different USB port or cable. This simple step fixes most permission or connectivity issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.